Bonjour, je m'appelle Napoleon, and today you will be comparing and contrasting the revolution in France that led to me and the revolution so called the American Revolution, the independence from Great Britain, and that tyrant, King George III. It's a little hypocritical for me to call him a tyrant, but I digress. I am, in fact, a child of the revolution, and themes like liberté, égalité, fraternité course through my veins. But today, we want to see if there are similar concepts born out of the American Revolution preceding it by about 20 or so years. In addition, you're then going to look at the Declaration of Independence itself, and we're going to examine things like point of view and audience and purpose relative to that document. Finally, I'm going to flip the script a little bit. And instead of considering the American point of view for you as American students, that is something that is ingrained. I'm going to ask you to look at the Declaration of Independence from the point of view of King George III. So, enjoy yourselves, have fun, and remember, Napoleon is best.